What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making tuna poke bowls. These are so easy to make. So first I have 1/2 pound of ahi tuna sliced into cubes. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then give that a good stir. This is going to marinate the fish. You can marinate it for as long as you like, but I just marinate it, set it aside, and then I assemble my bowl. I'm gonna add 1 cup of cooked rice, 1/4 cup of sliced radishes, 1 cup of chopped cucumbers, and half of a sliced avocado. Then I'm sprinkling some sesame seeds on there. And I love to serve this with sriracha mayo. And there you have it. Easy tuna poke bowls.